everybody home. We got on Bankhead to take Brad home. And as we was going down that street, over down Bankhead, we went past Brad's house and turned around. 2 marked cars following right behind, cars that I never seen that was at the windows that was behind us. We turned around, came back, dropped him off. So Wayne, I'm tired of this. So as we was getting to the edge of the street, stop sign on Bankhead. Wayne, I'm finna call the mayor. Tell him, if they gonna lock me up, lock me up. Up now. He pulled straight across the street to the JR. It used to be a JR Creek store. It was a big store. It was a phone booth. He got out the car. Me and Twan was sitting in the car. Man, I think he got on that phone booth no more than about 2 minutes. Cars just coming from everywhere. Swarmed the car. Helicopters. Man, it was crazy. Me and Twan was looking at each other, man. We was like, what's going on here? And we looking. Cop